Unraveling the meaning of risk-free. Hey there, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Risk-free. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in sentences. The term risk-free is an adjective that is made up of two words. 1. Risk, which means the possibility of something bad happening. 2. Free. In this context, it means without or devoid of. When combined, risk-free literally means without any risk or danger. It suggests that there is no potential for loss, harm, or failure. Risk-free can be used in various situations. Here are a few examples. 1. Finance. This is a risk-free investment. This means that the investment is considered safe, and there's no chance of losing money. 2. Products. Try our product risk-free for 30 days. This suggests that you can try the product, and if you're not satisfied, there won't be any negative consequences, often meaning you can get a refund. 3. General. Taking the path on the right is risk-free. This means that the path is safe, and there's no danger associated with it. To diversify your vocabulary, here are some synonyms or similar phrases you can use instead of risk-free. Safe, secure, without hazard, surefire, informal. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion surrounding the term risk-free. Remember, language is a tool, and the more phrases and words you know, the more effectively you can communicate. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.